Okay, it's the Blueberry Mojito, all right? Mojito's out of Cuba. For those of you who didn't know, that's where this drink was created. So we start off with some blueberries, some lime wedges, mint leaves. Everything in there's in the standard mojito except the blueberries. Simple syrup, and we give this a nice little muddling. You don't want to go overboard and turn it into a paste, okay, guys? You're just squeezing out the juices, some oils, all right? Drop in some more blueberries just to sexify. And now we can come behind that with our rum, okay? Get some rum in there, and then we can follow that rum up with some soda water, all right? If you don't particularly like soda water, like if you don't mind extra sweetness, you could switch it out to lemon lime soda, like a Sprite or a 7-Up if you want to, okay? But it's super sweet if you do it like that. And that's a different drink altogether, but it could still work, okay? So guys, for more cool mojitos, and we have a ton of them, like literally a ton, on the website, tipsybartender.com. Drink responsibly, friends. Later.